Hello everyone on the internet, Stephanie and Angelica Pickles are back once again. And today, me and Angelica Pickles are going to steal a cash register from McDonald's.
That's a great idea, Stephanie.
Anyways, let's get started. Okay, we got the cash register from McDonald's.
Now let's get out of here.
What the? Where is the cash register? Wait a minute, Stephanie and Angelica Pickles stole a cash register from McDonald's. Oh my god, they are in big trouble. That's it, I'm calling the dads.
Back with Stephanie and Angelica Pickles.
Hooray! We got the cash register.
We are such a genius.
Okay, Angelica, since we stole the cash register from McDonald's, let's go watch TV all together.
That's a great idea, Stephanie.
Girls, what was the thing you both got?
Well, this is the cash register that me and Angelica Pickles stole it from McDonald's.
Oh my god!
Stephanie and Angelica Pickles. We can't believe you both stole the cash register from McDonald's. That's it. You both are grounded for 16,332 months. Go to beds now.